Alright, I had to climb a tree to get this little buddy. And we are going to a rehab home. We are not ready to fly. And apparently, if you stay longer than 2 weeks away from your, nest, the parents will attack you. So, things change, buddy, huh? But where you're going, there are actually 6 other crows. Ah. Sorry, buddy.
Come back. Oh shit, he's going so far away.
Well, that was an amazing journey. Life changes fast. From 2 weeks of taking care of an injured crow, now let's make some music. I am so thankful that I met a woman named Mai. Mai. She is part of an organization called Fuglaadvokaten. And they kind of take care of the birds here in the Oslo area. See who is injured or feeding on locations, good quality food. So yeah, I'm extremely happy that just a random coincidence that she was releasing pigeons and I was releasing him. But my little boy, he was not ready to fly. After a good conversation with Mai, she gave me a lot of good information, showed me things like on his legs, what is really wrong, and yeah, he is in a very good hands. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Well, now it's just music and maybe another bird drops down its nest to see what happens.